What up, guys? So if you have been mining on the PocketFi application, you must have noticed this red update on your application asking for your account to be verified. All right, and if you also check their Telegram channel, you will have seen this update that they posted about the proof of humanity that is required for every account to participate in before the listing of Switch. All right, now according to the updates they made here, they say there are lots of bots that are on this project. All right, so they just want to use this opportunity to filter the system and filter the bots away so that they can know the real users of the platform. So I think what they are really calling the real users are going to be people that are really trading on the platform, making use of the wallet to do transaction and some other stuffs like that. Those that are checking in regularly. So if you have been participating in any of these things, I think the price you'll be paying for this proof of humanity is not going to be much. I guess the price to be paid for the verification also varies. All right, so guys, but anyway, we're going to check in this video every single thing about this update. We're going to talk about it, and I will also show you how to participate, how to do this thing, how to get your account verified if you want to, if you are interested, if you feel you have enough Switch on your balance that is worth paying for, then you should pay attention to this video. I'll definitely show you how to do it. All right, anyway, if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here right now, you should pay attention to this video till the end. Now, before you make your verification, you verify your account, because verifying your account involves you paying some amount of money. You are going to be paying some ton. All right, before you make this verification, you have to be sure you have enough Switch on your balance. All right, this is actually, I'm saying this because you never can tell. We don't know the price of this token. All right, and the amount they'll be collecting for the proof of humanity, we do not know if it's going to be worth it, if it's going to be worth paying for. All right, so I believe if you have less than 5,000, as for me, I have about 5,000 Switch on my balance. I think it's much and probably worth paying for. So I'm going to first of all check the amount I'll be paying for this sum, then I can go ahead. But if the amount I'll be paying is very huge, I think I'm just going to let it pass, because I do not know what the outcome of Switch is going to be at the listing day. We've been through a lot of stuffs like this, and they turn out to be wrong, they turn out to be bad, they turn out to be a total waste of time and lost. All right, but anyway, I'm just going to click over here and check out how much I'm supposed to pay for my 5,461 token Switch token that is on my balance right here. All right, so I want to get my account verified. The next thing you should do is to click on this unverified account. All right, so to bring you to this page where you can see proof of humanity. All right, so you click on these ones that say verified. Okay, so I'm going to be paying 0.74 ton. That's equivalent to 1.95 US dollars, approximately $2. All right, now guys, I don't know, I think I can risk $2 for me to get my 5,000 Switch that I mined. All right, I think I can risk the $2. But if you know you can't risk it, or you find the amount you have on your balance a little bit too small, and you believe it's not going to be worth it, then don't do it, guys. I'm not giving any advice here. There is no financial advice. I am just doing it according to what I have. I know I have over 5,000 token, and I think I can risk $2 for me to get the 5,000 token. All right, so that's why I'm doing it. So I'm just going to click on verify here. Okay, right, I'm going to confirm this. I'm going to pull this to confirm the payment, put my code. Okay, good. All right, so you can see the amount has been deducted from our balance right here. So I'm just going to go back and check. Okay, all right, so verification. All right, now there's a code that has been sent to my Tonekeeper wallet. A code has been sent. I mean, a 6-digit code has been sent to your Tonekeeper wallet. I'm going to go there, copy the code, and bring it right here. Okay, you can do that also. All right, so here it is. I'm just going to tap here to get my code. All right, so I'm going to decrypt the comment. So I just click on decrypt. All right, then your code. All right, so you see your code right here. This is mine. I'm going to copy. I'm just going to go and put this code right in the application. Unsuccessful. So you can see this is it. My account has been successfully verified. Click on done. All right, Okay, it has been successfully verified, guys. My account has been successfully verified. So and for that they gave me 273 switch on my balance right here. You can see it here. So I'm just going to click to claim it. It has been added to my balance. All right, so guys, in case if you've not also participated in staking, there's staking. You can stake part of your token. I staked about half of my balance. That's 2,533 here. I staked part of it on and it's stake for the next 3 months. It's going to be unlocked for me on May 24th. That's when I'll be able to unlock it. That's when the 3 month is going to be over. So that is just it, guys. You can stake and earn more also if you want to. It's not compulsory you stake anyway, but if you want to earn some more and also maybe hold it for a while, you can just stake. All right, so I didn't stake the total, I just staked half of my balance. All right, so that is it, guys. I just paid $2 worth of ton for my account to get verified, guys. I don't know, I'm not saying you should go and do this. I'm not saying it's compulsory. I'm not saying you should put your funds into it, but if you have maybe enough switch on your balance and you think you can risk the $2 worth of ton to do it, why not? Then you should go ahead, do it. But if you feel putting the $2 there is a total waste of time, or let's say maybe you don't have enough switch on your balance, I don't think it will be worth doing. So guys, you can just walk away. Anyway, the ball is in your court. If you are ready to risk it, fine. So guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.